Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do breakdance steps. We'll start by understanding the core elements that make up this exciting dance form. Breakdancing is a vibrant art that blends athleticism with rhythm, requiring dedication and practice. By focusing on the fundamental movements, you'll build a solid foundation to explore more complex and impressive techniques. Get ready to move and groove. Let's dive into top rock and basic footwork. Top rock is your initial expression, setting the tone before you hit the ground. Focus on smooth transitions and rhythmic steps. Then, we'll explore fundamental footwork like the six-step, which involves moving your legs in a circular pattern around your body. Practice these steps to build agility and control, crucial for all floor work. Now, let's explore freezes and power moves, the showstoppers of breakdancing. Freezes are about holding a challenging pose for several seconds, demonstrating incredible core strength. Think of the baby freeze, where you balance on one arm and your head. Power moves, like the windmill or headspin, require immense momentum and control, often involving continuous spinning on the floor. These take significant practice. To truly master breakdance steps, consistent practice is your best friend. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to refine your techniques and build stamina. Don't try to learn too many moves at once. Focus on perfecting one or two before moving on. Remember to dance to various music genres to enhance your musicality and develop your own unique style. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.